So guys, number one rule in trading, dapat meron kayong risk management. This doesn't apply only in trading but in business as well. Dapat don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Anong ibig sabihin nito? For example, dapat kung meron kayong 1,000 pesos, huwag nyong itataya lahat in one position. Huwag kayong masisilaw sa mabilisang kita. Trading takes time. Para kung magkamali kayo, may chance pa kayong makabounce back. Pag tinaya nyo lahat, and for example, nagkamali kayo, wala na, sunod na lahat ng puhunan nyo. Pero kung konti lang itataya nyo, let's say 1% of that 1,000 pesos, may chance pa kayong makabawi. Yun lang. Risk management and position sizing. Importante sa trading yan. Peace out.